We are going to initiate a historical event, historical moment. Right now, we are going to have a link up with a Don by name, Don by nature. Ladies and gentlemen,
yes, I am.
This is Don Yute. See?
Yeah, man.
What?
Yes, sir.
Forward
Yes, I
artist.
am. Well, go on, Youth. Everything bless me. See, I represent the music. Up, up, up.
Brethren, you know, again, it's like I said, I mean, it's like I come in like, you know, one of them bull arm where the police use to ball and to make noise. I'm like that as an instrument for you people, you know what I mean? The people that, I mean, you are definitely one of the artists that shaped my my childhood, and you helped me get gal, you know what I mean?
Yes, yes, yes. Yo, big up, Selector SP from Toronto. Big up yourself.
Big up you. Yes, sir.
Yeah, yeah, man. All selectors that join in, cause you know it's a movement, and you know, big up to all the collectors to that represent, you know, that era of dancehall where I was blessed to be a part of. You know what I'm saying?
Yes, yes.
You know, so you know, we just spread love, you know, and anything we can do for represent. You know them way there?
Yes, done know. All right then.
Quarantine. Yeah.
So, you know what this is about? I'm gonna ask. I've stuck a pin in 5 tunes, some of my favorite in your career. Not the biggest ones as we discussed before, but 5 important ones, and I want you to give us the backstory behind them. But before we go into that, do me a favor and just tell the people them who you are, what you're working with, and you know, who is Don Yute? Well,
Don Yute is a human being. You know, I not really work off of ego, and you know, I not really work off of the thing name Level Up. You know, them have a thought name Level Up. I not work off of that, cause everybody starts somewhere. Don Yute very opposite to the system. Rasta said Don Yute is Rasta, but I am nothing but a child of the sun. You know what I mean? So I have a lot of depth to me. You know, coming off of the influences of the greatest times of reggae, like Bob Marley, Steel Pulse, Dennis Brown, you know, Tennessee, them, Shabba, them.
Yes,
I used to open for Shabba when he was crossing over Patra, Cabra, you know. So as a little youth, we just have enough love, so we help a lot of people.
Yes, sir.
True. That was our main thing, to help people too.
Yes.
You know what I mean?
Yes. And it's evident that you have been on some of the most legendary and important labels and work with the biggest producers, you know, you can find, and multiple times as well. Very important pieces of some of the rhythms that did come out and shape the 90s, you know?
Yes, I am.
Yes, and of course some big collaborations. I don't know if we're gonna go there with the collaboration still, because I just want to focus on you, because you got many I mean, you've collaborated with Spragga Benz at least, from my knowledge, 3 times.
Yeah, man, or 4,
Jammies with the Duck Rhythm, Big Bad Gunner with Stone Love, Give It a Nani.
Yeah.
And you did Vice Tune with Freddie McGregor Pickney, what's his name? Genius, right?
Genius, yeah.
Yes. So those are the ones I'm aware of. You've frequently did a lot with, you know, like, were you ever a part of the Dutty Cup crew?
Well, I was just like, again, one that started a movement that made other youths know, say, yo, you can do that, you know. You know what I'm saying? You know, and then, you know, Dutty Cup now, that's form another movement. So you get people like Tammy Chin, Tess and them. Because normally them girls that would have more go for Miss World, them wouldn't be singing. You get me, I say? But through the Sean Paul. So what we do, we just open up people, what we call heavens.
Yes.
You know, we open up the heavens of the business and try unite music as artists and not as who I am, you know. I am, like Bob Marley said, I have no friend in a high society, but who richer than Bob Marley? But he doesn't regard himself as high society, regard himself as we the people. Big up Bad Boy Roo. Big up Steam Worldwide. Big up everybody joining on the show, cause I don't know it. Interesting, you know. Candyman, the 45 shop, is a collector that love the music in UK, and we're on in program right now. So it's all about that. We're talking about how the tunes came about. He wants to know the whole story behind it. So we're just on this. So everybody coming on, that's what we're doing. Honorable, big up yourself. Nice video shoot the other day, brother. Bless.
Yes, sir. Welcome to each and every person that has just joined in. And also, I just want to express my gratitude and thanks. We live in a very ungrateful world, brethren. You know what I mean? A man open the door for a next man is to say respect, and then they're gone. You know, I want to express gratitude because, like I said, I mean, you're an icon to me and helped form my childhood. So, I mean, so even I remember there was a dance. I believe it was Augustown Student Union 1998. You and a Spragga artist on it. Yeah. Spragga,
Tantan, Devante, and them time the me bus dancehall crazy. You remember that song dancehall?
Yes.
Right. I have my push up my head and my curls them come out. The girls them get mad. Yeah.
So I mean, so from a long time fan, remembering all of them things, they're seeing all of that and thinking, rah. So now here I am, you know, face to face, if you like, with, you know, one of the people, again, Don by name, Don by nature. So, by the way, everybody, those who's tuned in, link your brethren them, tell them to come in and just be a part of this history. So, we're going to go into the something now. So I'm going to drop the first of 5 tunes, okay?
All right, sir.
Right. So, we're going to go to the year of 1994. So already, I believe, you're going to correct me if I'm wrong, but the first time I ever saw your name on a record was with Steely and Clevie. It was a rhythm where Spragga do Girls Hooray. Hey, hey, ho. Was it hardcore? What your tune?
Hardcore was that song.
There you go. There you go. That's
right.
Was that the first time we saw you on a record? Was that the first time?
That's the first time the world see me, but before that was a guy named Barry here at Grove Studio below Irie FM.
Yes.
And I had a song named I just the body you have that murder me. Girl I just the shade when you have that slaughter me. Girl I just the body you have. You remember them kind of them song there?
Yes. 90s floor.
So that was really my first song, but it was them did a bust them song the different. Than he was differently popular than Dave Kelly.
Yes.
You know what I mean? He was in the market, say he was in like say Switzerland there. You know what I mean? But Dave was more, you know, Madhouse label was more already boss. Already boss. You know. So we can bust it. Right, let me hear your top 5.
So
let me hear
1994 was the year. Bobby Digital was the label, okay? So this was a rhythm that was huge in 1990. That's when it was originally released. And then there was a relic in 94. So we're going to go into it. People, I'm not going to play the whole tune again. You know, first verse and then, you know, then we can go into it. So people, this is Don Yute, the tune named Pressure Them, okay? You remember that tune there? Right.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Iconic rhythm. Hold on there.
Tell him it's not a charity situation. In a life, I will step up here on the side. That is saying to why. That is caption of kind. So it's a press out, it's a girl, take off the circle. Oh, it's a girl, oh, it's a man, oh, it's a man, man, oh, it's a man. Jump up, show up, and back, follow that you. Press out, it's a girl, take off the circle. Oh, it's a girl, oh, it's a man, oh, it's a man, man, oh, it's a man. Jump up, show up, and back. So sing, continue. Whenever they press him, I'm requesting. I just something to something. I don't know. Tell him to go on a red cross. If you want free something, could I dig all thief? Police constable from nothing I pass the in your way running to. If the first empty, you get miserable. After the miserable, you get unsociable. So when you sing, rush out people, I just get proof in circle. Oh, people. So when you sing.
That now is Bobby Digital. All right. Again, like I said, how I meet Bobby Digital.
Yes, sir.
Is I radio announcer named Mighty Mike.
Yes.
You get me? Mighty Mike on RFM.
Yes.
Him hear the song. The same Barry sent up my song Murder Me. It was me, President Brown, Tanya Steve, and an ex-gospel group. That's the first song I ever voiced in a studio.
Yeah.
It was at Mikey Spice.
Yes.
All of we was there, and we did do a song named African Thing, which eventually went on Mango label, Island.
Yeah.
You see me after? So now Barry sent up my song, and Mighty Mike call Bobby Digital and say, yo, a youth named Don Yute, you have a voice him. Him a come back at town. Me I send him come link you.
Yes, sir.
And then I go around there and my voice a song named Mommy. The first mama tune where DJ sing. Me mommy is the most important person to me. And Don Yute love mama dearly. For 9 months me mama she did carry me. With no thoughts for your bath. Me love her. For she I woulda kill her. Woulda gather life and pay everything. I need her. She make me dark days bright. Woulda put her in the palace for the rest of my life. So me want her, so me need her. So me mommy come and she pamper me when sickness a come down while me girl out a road a deal with bun for bun. You get me? And then I voice that. And then after that now me and Bobby start link and me come me live right up the road. Me just go down and then we do that song called Spragga have a song on the rhythm there too.
Man, yes. Spragga.
You get what I say?
Yeah, man, it works. But your one up there.
Up there. So I saw that
up there.
one they come out.
Yes, sir. So
yeah.
All right. So that's tune number 1. So the next tune I'm gonna play is we're gonna move to 1996. This tune is on a extremely popular rhythm that must play in every single dancehall, but unfortunately, you know, the Don Yute, which was a big tune at the time, you know,
right.
Unfortunately, through time, it kind of, you know, so I want to bring it back to the public psyche again. And for me personally, you take the rhythm. All right. So there were some big artists, some of the biggest artists on the game, and I know it's the most popular song, but this tune, you take the rhythm. Okay, so we're going to the Grafton label. Tony Kelly is the producer. All right, you ready?
Yeah. Yes, I am. Big tune. Big tune.
Yes, sir.
All about that to my pleasure. I'm talking about Don Yute is just to give her what she needs, what she require. Baby, I'll say she going, she going, she going. So she want another man to water the land. She going, she going, she going. So she want another man who knows people. From the border, right now. Look when the boy take that big back. I can't find no mind because explosion. Watch it like turning at every direction. Shout out my boss, say they want the education. No elevation and acceleration. When they put out to figure the locks from a stallion who hold on tight and jump on the division. You can't come pitch if find a new gas station. With fast it can go, but come far gas from the gas station. She go in, she go in, she down. Gas from the gas.
At the energy. At the energy. At the energy. Them song there, like, okay, like, you know, remixing now. Remixing, I wouldn't even remix my shit. You know what I mean? Like, I don't even, you know what I mean? Because people doing over the rhythms.
Yeah.
They don't even know I'm on it.
Yeah.
You know, it's like a lot of time I'm working with people and people be like, yo, I can't believe you me I talk to. Like some producers and stuff and me say, because I know to come down to zero.
Yeah.
It's no ego.
Yes.
You have enough artists in a way. Me can tell them, you're better than me, you know. You're better than me. And them say, no, man. I say, you're better than me. You get me? You're bad. Gunshot bust them it like buckle, vibrates a rackle full of lyrics, right?
Yeah.
But it's not that Don Yute do.
No.
Don Yute make it simplify the whole heap of extraness.
Yes, sir.
We kind of lost people sometime. You know what I'm saying? You know what I mean? They think I'm an image, but I woke up like this.
Yes.
You know what I mean? So sometimes it's like, you know, like natural here. Don Yute is like natural here. Me not need no weave in my life. No disrespect. I understand why weave.
Yeah.
But I'm an original Yute to the original look. Well, love my being that I am. I no say color. I no call nobody no black, white, or other. You know what I mean? I no depend on something. I no say ghetto. I no say uptown. I say my Evans is my Evans. You know what I'm saying?
Yes, sir.
So musically, I study. I know I study a lot more than them.
Yes.
You know what I mean?
Yes.
And how I dissect the thing, because everything has been done already.
Yes.
You know, like I said, Shabba would have seen me and said, yo, go in, Charlie, take me to see you. Come link me down a Bobby Digital. Take me to see you. I'm going to say, Shabba, you know my song? And Shabba said, oh, you mean if I know your song? Hardcore, she wanted some more. You said him do that?
Yes, sir.
My head tap, my brain goes up. A Turks and Caicos me there in a man. You see when I go up on the stage, it was me, Red Rat,
Yeah.
Shabba, Pacha,
Ooh.
Cabra, the whole Inspection crew.
Yes.
And I go up on the stage and when me done, cause me did the arms sweaty, there's vomit on my shirt already like Emma them. I fret cause me I say Shabba them I work with in a boss.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? You see when I go up on the stage and done, me set run off. The people them a shout out, Sensi Ride, Sensi Ride. Me never know my song boss, here Shabba. You know, you're the people that I call you about, go up there. You get me? I'm gonna have to go. You get me? Because I was like, yo, I'm done with y'all. Yo, I don't want a buckler and a bow.
Yeah.
Me mashing them up already, but I never want it go down. You get me? I say?
Yes, sir.
So when I come off now and I say, me don't even want an encore, Shabba said the people that want this, we're sending it's a Sensi Ride.
Yes, of course. And that's another
No ego, no ego. So sometimes to how me deal with the rhythm and my tone of voice. Because I have a voice that can be remixed.
Very unique.
I have a voice. It's like Tupac. You can remix him anytime.
Yeah.
Bob Marley.
Yeah.
And Don Yute, Shabba.
Yeah.
We have a tone. Super Cat. Say, come, Mr. Cat, because you come from my shit up. Anyway, you go with a all and pull up. Listen, Mr. Cat, because him well dangerous. Mr. Mud up Italic. Mud up Italic, it are the latest lyrics. After we come into the place and talk to my contact lyrics. Mr. If you think I like you have a own up on it, Ragamuffin, Mr. Cat, and we not shoot on me. You get me? It's a tone. It's a tone. So we have them tone that were sellable. And then now we got brown, this image of the shade of black.
Yes.
So now brown money in the game, which is like Damian Marley, Maxi Priest, Sean Paul, Shaggy, and all these things is our money.
Yeah.
But I am still a human being.
Yes, sir.
You get me? So I might not get inhumane with it where I think, yo, it's a competition. Me better than you.
Yeah.
Me I gotta use my... No, me use my royalties because I get blessing like 1996 to go voice with Lil Jon on the Sosa Def Bass All Star album.
There was a compilation that them do, yeah.
Right. So me get lucky. I don't know. Me broke out, make nobody see me, and on a link. Me they have a song name, I thought that a Pooty Cat walking on the street. Pooty Cat, me want that.
Yes, of course.
All right. Lil Jon used to play on the radio in Atlanta named V103, right? And Lil Jon heard that song and he said to the other guy, Paul Lewis, who is him and Lil Jon, the dynamic duo.
Yes.
Which did Beanie Man Slam remix, Tour remix, and Heathen Rage remix with Method Man. That was Lil Jon, the same Lil Jon.
I did not know he was involved in that.
Okay, so now I'm showing you him the tour remix.
Yes, because he was on Sosa Def. Yes.
Aye. Yes. And then now John project was to use new artists. If him never break them new artists, Jermaine Dupri would have fire him.
Yes.
Because it was so him get new artists now. The girl named My Boo at night.
Yes.
I think of you.
Classic.
You know, I want. And then my song on that, so now it's regarded as a single. So every time that song they play, everybody get money.
Boom.
The album was selling 62,000 a week.
Yeah.
You see me? So it got gold quick. You know what I mean? No platinum. So I didn't know it was me doing that. I can't look at it like, yo, I'm Popcorn, I'm the man. It wasn't that. I didn't have no manager hooking that up. It was like I went there on a regular trip, and then the guy Paul Lewis tell Lil Jon, you know that guy's in Atlanta now, just like that, you know. And me go do all of the uptown gal them are the sexiest, all of the downtown gal them are the sexiest, all of the and pan a bass music. So Lil Jon was telling Jermaine Dupri, put out dancehall bass. He didn't want to hear. He wanted the video for mine.
You see it?
Okay, I already do this thing. When dancehall was going, do, me go do that. We dance all crazy.
Yes, yes, yes.
Everybody,
yes, yes. That was 99,
Y'all wind up
right?
them. Ah.
Yes.
So it's just my DNA. I don't follow. You know what I mean? I don't follow.
Boss trend, yeah.
Don't.
Yes, sir.
So that's my story.
Wow.
Boss song. Boss song.
Brethren, you talk and the ear from the back of my neck just a cut up.
Yeah, man. It's real, man.
That, is very. I'm so glad that you're here to explain all this, because this is stuff that no one would ever know, because none of this is online. There's no trace of any of this. So again, much love and
Don
gratitude. You know what I mean? As a
all right,
I didn't know how. I mean, I say this out of respect, but I didn't know how true it was when I say done by name, done by nature.
yes, yo, but you know, like me say, most people like me have a song where me say name Fresh.
Yeah.
When me say I get up fresh, that's why them call me the man, them vex, because them can't see the man. Them never see the scheme. Them only see the plan. You see? Right? Them still a watch face, a watch complexion. Them never see the right. Them only see the wrong. Them up in on me face and tell me where them come from, both them rocket launchers and grenades and bomb. Got tell them Bobilo say me not too response. Me not too give a jam. I have to make some money up in a Uncle Sam never been to Iraq. I can't talk about Iran, but me lick a picnic there and she want food for your mass there. Fresh. That's why them call me demon. You get me? So yes. It's just like, so it's like, how do you use your tone? If you use your tone like this, or if I want to use my tone like this.
Yeah.
Or if I want to sing, when I say I love you, girls, I mean, you ain't got to go nowhere. I swear, just call me and I'll be right there. Yeah. Them don't know, sir. I'm a producer. That's why Sean them drop in. Yes. Mr. Vegas. Yes. I put his name was Vegas. I say, I can't name Sosa Vegas. You need a Mr. to your thing. Don Yute. Bounty Killer. Beanie Man. You need a like a thing to your thing, Vegas. Yeah. Okay. Ask him. I can tell for real.
Is it fair to say, I don't know this, but this is the first time I ever see his name. The first time I see Mr. Vegas' name was on one of your rhythm where you put out on the Golden Child record label.
I heard she sang a good song.
La 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 la.
I heard. All right, and then we go la 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 la. Hot girls say my bitches at all. Now go see no girl style, now go follow for now. Now go see no girl style, now go follow for now. Me make the girl them go pop 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 pop. All right, and then after that Buccaneer, me introduce a thing to the Evans. Hold on now, and I introduce the opera style, but I don't even know it's the opera style.
Yeah.
Because I'm not doing it from my vibes.
Right.
So.
Yes.
So I just go like this. That's why I say when we talk playground with him, yo, Selector SP, big up. Yo, Brandon Lee, if you're on still, yo, Brandon, big up yourself, you. Black Chinese, original, you.
Big up.
Rhythm Force, them era there. Bad Boy Roo, Waggity Movements, big up yourself. I saw you come on, big up. Because you don't know, say, Don Yute and Waggity is like this, enough Waggity, enough at someone topped up them, you know what I mean? I was the one getting them.
Boom.
You get me? Sex says a movement. A lot of time, yes, Bad Boy, a lot of time some man don't even know where it come from, even some juvenile will come on some sound. Yeah. Tony Mataran, I don't really know Tony Mataran by himself. I know Babyface. Me and Spragga go for my airport.
Yes.
And then we go studio.
Boom.
And then we drop him in my hotel and then ping them. So I can just tell you those things. I was down in Waterhouse as this Browning, sitting down on the car, the bad man them around me. Me and Bounty them stay, so me and them Chinese food, not box food, Chinese food. In the garrison. Yes, I don't afraid to know. The garrison, the difference with me and them is the ghetto bus me. Yeah. Arrows, I was at the dance, Australia, and on a club bus me, and a club bus me.
Yes.
And a club.
Yes.
So it's a different thing when they see Willie Agata, you see some Bogle them and Lexus crew them for real.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? And Rory, I say, yo, this youth run away from uptown, link with the youth named Spragga Benz down at Red Square. His people kick him out because he love ghetto people. And him drop fucking hardcore. The place got crazy. That's how I burst. Big up Rory from Stone.
Warrior,
Father
big
Paul.
Godfather, that man. Big Godfather.
Father Paul. All I know, Travelers.
Yes.
Big up on yourself. Juxi Killer them.
Yes.
Big up on yourself. Who else? Let me tell you who else. Super D, thank you.
Yes,
Front line, top line. Big up on yourself. All of the fet them, we used to the fets. Every fet, big up on yourself. All the child fet, U-Tech, big up. And them people that boss with.
Yes, sir. Yes. And you know what
Yes.
I love? The humility comes through. I can feel that you're one away, you know?
Yeah.
I can tell that you're not a man there that, you know, a man will see you on the road and be like, oh, yo, that's Don Yute. And you can't come say, yo. I know that if I see you on the road, I could come hail you and say, yo, Don Yute, you do this for me, did that. Respect, because, and the vibes and all of that comes through in the music as well. You see me? So, I mean, for what I love right now, I mean, you're giving us all this history, but you're also pulling up names where some people don't even know, but you're shining the light to say, yo, I know me and make me, you know, I them people. Yeah, so I really love that, man. I love that.
At most, I don't need control. I don't need the link. I don't need the ego. Any little artist in the diaspora trying to do their thing, you don't go through what I go through. How I know? You ain't on the rhythm. I was on the underdog through Buju. Yes. Buju was the man. Buju, Terrel, Daddy's Crew, them hotter than me. Merciless, hotter than me. Frisco Kid, that's my favorite nigga. Yeah, that's my friend. You know what I'm saying? Him to me is the most underrated hit maker. You know what I'm saying? Like for real, him have just as much hits as Beanie Man in that era. Big up Moses. We're moving on now to good time. And you can't be in love and so right. You get me? Boom. So I remember it like it was yesterday. And it because, you know what I mean, it's like a lot of time people take ego.
Yes.
And ego is one of the biggest demons. Them go on like them humble because them quiet.
Yes.
You get me? Same way the vessel empty. And it make the most nice.
Yes.
Sometimes the vessel empty and full of a spiritual fart.
Yeah.
You get me? So it's like big up Brandon Lee. Yo, big up, Brandon, big up yourself. You never hate for me yet. Your eye never change yet. Mad. Me know, you know. Them is star and the sky that them shine out of.
Yes.
You get me? I am the sky. I provided the space for them to hang up in.
Yes.
You get me? So big up Bounty Killer. Yeah, one of me. Big up Vibes Cartel.
Yes.
Whatever you're doing, like your choices. Big up you for your choices, them, cause you know why you stay so. But I never stay. I feel same way, but I take it out in the music.
Yes.
You know what I mean? Yes. So that's why me and the ghetto youth, them what them call ghetto, cause the world is a ghetto, but what they call ghetto, love me because I know to come down to zero.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
And yes, if I can come down to zero, nobody can take nothing from you. 0 minus 0 equal what?
Minus 0, same way.
Right, so put one and equals 1 plus 0 equal
1.
So if people put 100 on me, I'm 100, but I'm not gonna chuck my energy on nobody.
Yes, I hear.
Like how you, if I'm not saying I'm the man, it's you say I'm a person of interest, you know.
Yeah.
It's you say, you know. Yeah. But I am like you. I can dead a man can sex my girl and my baby mother same way. I can broke. I'm hungry. I can be a star like Carlos Santana and don't have nothing today.
Yeah.
Do you want to talk about that and be like, okay, the artist broke, like Bounty Killer say, you want to see your artist? You would have loved to see me broke a road at a sniff coke?
No, sir.
All right. You would have heard say Don Yute suffer and say me I send on a bills go give.
Of course.
Okay.
Of course.
I'm building. All right.
No doubt. Big up. Just to take time out to say, big up importer from Netherlands, yes? Don Yute, do that plate. So importer, I'm gonna put. You can check Don Yute on Instagram after this. Every selector do the same thing. Yeah. Every selector check Don Yute for that plate. You see me? All right. You're hearing certain tunes where my DJ Pandis are live that we didn't really hear yet. So them that you go for. All right. And some of the tunes that you play now. All right.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
So
what's the thing?
And by the way, everybody, I mean, people are tuning in from all over the world. As you know, me little, but Talawa. So we are going to work with it. See you there. All right.
Yo, the collectors, them going crazy,
Yes,
dude. Look,
sir. You don't
everybody.
know.
Yo, all that glitters ain't gold on them song. They're like, I don't even remember them shits there. I swear to God. A man asked me for the dub the other day from France, and I was like, send me back that.
Yes.
And him send me the I mean, I have to listen back my song and I listen it under the dub.
Yes, sir. So, all right,
Yeah.
then. So we have Ross. We got 3 tunes left. All right. So, okay. So tune number 3, we're gonna go again to 1996 on a label that you frequented quite a lot, and you helped establish that label to be as big as it was. Rookie Production.
Bombard. Yes, I am.
Rhythm named Juice Rhythm. So this is, ladies and gentlemen, this is Don Yute on the Juice Rhythm, done by what was it? Andre Harrell, right?
Andre Terrel.
Yes, Terrel. Yeah, sorry.
Yeah, Rookie.
Yes, Rookie.
Yeah.
All right, boom. All right, let's just roll with it. Don Yute.
This piece could easily become the favorite final track of a disco evening just before closing time.
Me no want no mama recruiter. No, me no want no gambler in the business and shooter. No, me in the customer the prostituter. One place in the jar is a producer. Yo, what could I want? Me no want no mama recruiter. No, me no want no gambler in the business and shooter. No, me in the customer the prostituter. One place in the jar is a producer. Yo, what could I want? I'm coming from far. This is a star. She want me compare. With me ex Manara. I'm a do the star. I'm the pretty car. I'm trying to go over the bar. I will see a try, bitch, you can't lie. I let this fool to me in the toy, so me can't reply. I will not lie. I know she want this, I don't need to you know, I'm a mama recruiter. No.
Yo, but all right, may I be real with you though? May I be real with you? You see that song, yeah? This is the first song somebody ever write for me.
Oh, okay. Okay.
But I one of the greatest ever write for me. Spragga Benz.
Guess who it was? Yeah, exactly. Because
Spragga Benz.
Yeah.
And Spragga write that song and I say, yo, you can't even talk patois in a youth. You need to probably you're too uptown in the man. And I stay some boom and I say, all right, I take a song. I'm gonna go song. That was Rookie and Spragga vibes. Yeah. That's why I tell you. A lot of artists, people write for us. Yes. People act like it's a crime. It's not a crime. Michael Jackson takes song from people. Yeah. Whitney Houston takes song from people.
Yeah, it's art.
So,
yeah.
I don't care.
It's art.
I really don't. It's us. Honorable, yeah. Write with me. Yeah. Write for me. Yeah. Big up Honorable. Indigigod. Big up on yourself. All on write some song and take on the game. We love on them.
Yeah, I mean, at the end of the day, we all get inspiration from somewhere. I've never met a person that bust through any gate or any door that wasn't held open for them. Somebody has to go open the door and leave the door open for you. That happens in life. So, and I'm not that.
I'm the uptown, what them call uptown cartel or the uptown bounty killer then, because we bust the most people. Now my boss when me bust people, y'all know who Sean Paul them is. Yes. Y'all know what Dutty Cup them do. Y'all know what Mr. Vegas them come do with the music. They switched it. Not care who them is or what them go on within them career. We switch the game from the regular typical sound. You get what I say?
Yes.
So that is what we always keep doing up to now. That's why I tell you, say, you know, they have to send you some new song when you say, yo, you want with all the reasoning. I'm saying, I send you call the people them have to know, say, anything me touch it going to have that classic influence. I never really say I am this, but I realize say my sound, like John Legend, he's a classic sound. Yeah. Doesn't mean he's 78 years old.
No, sir. No.
Okay.
Yeah. So Don, here's my thing though. So it's like I said to you before when I said, I'm not into the business of waiting for a man dead to say, yo, he's a bad DJ or he was this or he's that. They're living legends like yourself. You're living and alive now. You were bad, you are bad, and you will be bad. You see me? As far as your art is concerned. So I'm like, I'm not trying to put nobody. You see, like what there, Mr. Chicken gone. Rest in peace, Chicken. Yeah. We're not.
Yes.
A week before him gone, it was on my live listening to me spin a couple tunes. You know what I mean?
Yes.
So and it's like, so I was gearing to go speak to him too. And then, you know, so I'm like, yo, so this is a great opportunity to me. Let's speak to these people that are tuning in and that will listen to this on the future on YouTube or whatnot. We need to speak to and reach out to Don Yute now. Don't wait for him gone and then, you know, he's in the dead man collection.
You know, say Don Yute dead. You know, say Don Yute dead. And that's why I talk certain way. Enough people don't hear me say, yo, me can't dead, you know. You know, me talk to my brother, you know, 2 days. Next day, me talk to him in the morning.
Yeah.
Next evening, my mother said him in the hospital. Next night, late night, mother said him in the hospital. Next couple hour, an hour or two, him gone.
Yeah, yeah.
What was life? When me say what was life, them say, no, yeah, I live now. I said, as I said, it gone. Do you really love yourself? Do you love me? So boy, don't go. I don't even know your sex, your color, or nothing again. You know what I mean? Gunshot fly through my lungs.
All day.
Exit your, enter your son, exit through my abdomen.
Yes.
I'm there.
Yes.
And people still never going to regard you as something. They don't care, you know? You know what I mean? So I just know, so the fire, here Bob Marley said there's something they can never take away. And it's that fire. There's a fire burning deep within me.
Yes, sir.
Where me nah fake it with nobody. So some friend wonder why me they even link them. Why me they even have nothing to say. Because them don't know my pain. Them a tell me so about some regular egotistical thing. While if a music we say, the world going to change as usual. You know what I'm saying? And that is why I say big up to Uno. Well, give me a chance to make to just express to people, yo, stop take people for granted, yo.
Yes.
Stop taking yourself for granted. You know, and the families everywhere. Wanna stop do it, yo. Look at these times that we're in.
Yes, sir.
Wanna stop take people for granted because there's people who love. Big up Kid Corrupt.
Big up Kid Corrupt, yes. Yes.
Jovan, that I'm a blood brother, not care what, not care anything. If him fling a back after me, bust a shot off of me, from it not kill me and him, my friend.
Yes, sir.
Forever.
Yes, sir.
You get to me, I say, I can't say so whether no man that agree with it and them feel like, yo, my art says so. Yes, if I'm your art says so.
Yes, sir.
It's your intention. Your intention is the only thing where you must watch for people, them intention. Some people intention is to come show off them blessings. Say them blessed than you. How can you be blessed than somebody? Blessing is something you share. No God not drop out nothing out of sky. God is the good deeds that brethren and I voice it. I carry him to the studio and him go voice a song and it hit him say, God make me song it, you know. You see me? Then if it suppose him drive him car now and go crashing preload. Vegas crashing. Him I say coming like a demon in a DJ, don't it? So okay, so God and devil come through us. Yes, so exactly. If you want to rise up the devil out on the artists, them, you can keep teasing them about young youth. All I hear is this young youth. I was 16 voicing Love in Excess. Yes. So I don't care about, I'm not really dissing nobody, but if it's coffee, I say young. Man, nigga, I was freaking like 16 saying, you own them man, say, smoke it, come take some baby. So I with my own label, with my own t-shirt, with my own cap at 16. Yes, so it never voicing other artists because I didn't know it no other way. I never ever run down a producer. Now when I did try go studio and I try get on some big producer with him, then I see Scan. And it wasn't the white man Scan, it's the producer with him, hot with him. Like a sexy girl. We have a something and every man will say she know so one day her purse, she drop out 10 grand out of her purse and I'm gonna say, hey, she think I look him, I look her. She never look back. Him just take up the 10 grand, so somebody with life. You get me? Yeah.
Yes, sir. You know what? Again, it comes out in the music, but it's like when you're talking here live, it's like it's almost like a hypnotic quality where I'm one of the people that are listening to what you're saying, and what the things you're talking about is taking my mind. I'm in the place that you're talking about. I can smell, I can taste, I can hear everything, the atmosphere of everything you said. So I love this, man. I love this.
I am one of Michael Jackson them. I am one of Marvin Gaye them. You don't choose them. You don't choose them role there. No, you don't choose to be the first up. You don't choose to be the first uptown DJ.
No.
You don't choose to know people like Kid Corrupt. Those youths motivated me.
Yes, sir.
If it was me alone for the studio, I would ask him.
Yeah.
I wouldn't fucking go straight. Because it was just, oh, you're brown, you're rich already.
Yeah.
Where you try bus for? Where I mean, I say, yo,
Sir.
doggy.
Big up, Dutty.
You know what I mean? Yeah. Muckily forever.
All right.
Big up SP.
Yes, sir. So.
Yeah, big up everybody.
So, done. So we got 2 more left. So I'm gonna go. The next one I'm gonna go to 1997 on your rhythm that you put out in 1997 on your label, Golden Child Records. It named Mr. Freeze. Remember that rhythm there?
Bombard. Anything to happen, make it up, none done we now. Back from no boy. Back from no boy.
Yeah.
Mad Cabra.
Yep. And it was the first time I heard Lugaman. Anywhere we go, the gal them follow.
The gal them follow.
We want to do for. That was the first time I heard Lugaman by himself, because it was on the playground reading with all you lot, but it was with Musty Kid. So the first time I heard Lugaman, that was. But that's another story for another. That's another. So, but anyway, you did 2 tunes on the rhythm.
Right.
One of them was What's Up, and the next
What's
one was
Up?
this one. So I'm gonna drop this one, and then we just go into it. All right, ladies and gentlemen, 1997, Mr. Freeze Rhythm ends out. Don Yute. Let's go.
Yeah.
Yes, we don't need to walk and so. Just go for jungle and so. Yes, we don't need to walk cool down. And come on in and just go into push on this and so. Yes, we don't need to walk and so. Just go for jungle and so. It's like cool down. Yes, we don't need to walk cool down. And come on in and just go into push out. Come and think we like it. Just go with blood like socket. Rub us in the pocket. We now run rocket. Watch it. And my eye chuck it. I be checking it. Don't have to very, never say, never necessary. The apple take honey, baby, Jenny, Penny, in the cherry, but she never ready. Study head so, yes, we have to do our head so. John Ford, boy, John Van der Grass, is like cool out. Yes, we have to do our cool out. And come on in, let's go now. Girls, what's up, girls?
The pretty house and the pretty car.
I got to have you somebody meet them from far. What's up, girls?
The pretty house and the pretty car.
Looking at your face and it not have on a scar. Class treatment. I don't say it on your bench. Can't get none. And the boy champagne. Ya call you bad name, but no suit down. Turn that campus silent get him. From your hand to a go up and you'll put up roadblock. You use a proper IG. Them girls they know what. Smell money in a water. Paper with rock. You are bitter. You are diamond body. Protein. I begin. Number so tiny. Gasoline. Y'all was Halloween. Friday the 13th. Me was nightmare when me sit them me scream. Let me while the fantasy you have me ecstasy. What's up?
What?
I must apologize. I cheated and I played the 2 on the same rhythm, but I couldn't help myself.
Nothing wrong. No, but like I said, you know who played that? Dynamic Duo, Lil Jon and Paul Lewis.
Boom, okay.
I was just really experimenting. Yes. Really.
That was a big rhythm. Bad rhythm.
I never, to me, it's just Cabra song really to get to it. And like I said, Luga get a vibe. His style was just different from even mine.
Yeah.
It was just different, you know? It's smoothie down, dusty down, you know? You get me, I say? And it's just the vibes there. So it was just really, like I said, them time there, I never really did link.
Yeah.
We are programming our brain like that because it was real talk.
Yeah.
At least it could have breathed little with creativity on a level where you say, yo, John, you know, you can sit down with some man, a man a voice pan a rhythm and, you know, man like Louis Culture and them man the energy meeting them man there and Daddy Screw, them man the no ego.
Yeah.
Them youth they cool.
Yeah.
Frisco Kid them, them youth they just, you know what I'm saying? So it's like, we never really did have that something where it was like, you know, even if Buja sing man fitted, doesn't make them know we not saved, no lady. We never feel like evil, you know, it was more like.
No.
You know? So sometimes the spirit where I come behind it, which I say is the intentions, again, you know, the spirit where I come behind the music, like if Bob Marley says, so what is money? How much money is a lot of money? you know, $2,999,33, like, or 134,332. Like, so I'm the kind of guy, like, so when I talk enough time, enough people, they might say, you're hard for deal with. That means Jesus would have hard for deal with, because I talk parables. You know, if you can't pick up what I was doing, like with dancehall crazy, nobody never expect that for.
No, way ahead of your time, way ahead of its time. Yeah.
That right now already know. I didn't have to touch a remix.
Yeah.
Amy White, but it would be more an Amy Winehouse kind of mix.
That's
it's more
exactly, the exact kind of style. Yeah.
For real. So it's like no doubt. Like that's the
what's his name? My man from Andrea 3000 from Outcast. Hey, yeah, them kind of something there. Yeah, way ahead of his time. This is exactly what I'm saying. This is why it's important for me to speak to you and get all of this, because it's like, I mean, all of the songs I've played so far, the flows and delivery, it's just, you know, I want a better word, but let me just say disgusting. Dirty.
Yes.
You know what I mean? And
dirty, yeah.
Your voice is unlike, it's kind of like a, you know, like Gregory Irie. You hear Gregory Irie's voice, you know it immediately, and there's no other voice like that. Your voice, it sounds like it come in like a lion roar.
Right,
and it's
right.
That guy's there, the style, everything. So, man.
Big up Corrupt, big up Jovan. Yes. Yo, Selector Yaya, big up yourself. Yo, Brandon Lee, Bad Boy Roo. We are all on mad vibes. Yo, Selector SP, big up, yes, yo. Sir. Respect for who's staying on. You know, cause we're not 6'9", we just we. You know what I mean? We're not try broke no numbers. We're not broke no numbers. This is just a vibe.
Yes, sir.
And thanks for the energy, you know what I mean?
Yeah, the pleasure is mine. The pleasure is all mine. Again, thank you, and I'm very humbled for this experience.
Yeah, man.
All right, so the last one, we're gonna go to 1999, where you link back with the Jammies people them, and you did a tune on a rhythm that was huge. I've got at least 30 songs on the rhythm, and people don't know. It's one of those rhythm that came out, and people don't know who was on the rhythm and how many tunes, but you were, and the tune, again, is bad, and it's a shame. The tune didn't get hardly any shine, but, you know, this is what we're here to do. We're here to put the tunes on the thing. Is yourself Corrupt becoming of your tune party rhythm too, which is the exact same situation as Don Yute? So, exactly. Selector SP, you don't know the flex already. So,
yes.
We're going to 1999, King Jammy, where we entered, there was a new era, because this rhythm, and from this point on, there was a new generation that were coming up, you know?
Right.
War 21 was the producers when they they hit this rhythm, and then dancehall went into another sort of direction from this point on. But anyway, without no further ado, less talking, more music. Don Yute, 1999, King Jammy's label. The tune is called Beep It. All right, people, listen lyrics. Exactly.
You don't know enough. A teacher, tough style. You don't know enough. I will not walk foot in the way I get some boy girls straight up. I do that take bus. And it go like this. Woman don't stop people. 911 as we make a 1-2 and it can't get slam. Woman don't stop people. 911 as we make a 1-2 and it can't get so set and busy. Make up the palm. Say them gone crazy. Over your land, I pay them fee away. Over Joe's land, me step on the golden seed. What a plantation. I want me get invitation. Recommendation. Something that's gone. The girl them a pass. Say they want to fashion. Rich and London girl a pay all a publican. Just no stop people. 911 as we make a 1-2 and it can't get slam. Woman no stop people. 911 as we make a 1-2 and it can't get. So the girl them a cry.
Just in goal, me not tell no lie the truth. I feel I'm phone in a Amani exchange. Buckler, yo, mad, yo, Rubber Dub Productions, big up Fishman's no Tour Master, big up.
Yes, sir, yes, sir. Big up everybody that just joined still, you know. This is amazing history, amazing energy. So Don Yute, tell me about that tune, man.
Well, it's just again vibes, you know, cause like I said, we and Killer them used to hang out enough. Me, Jovan, Kid Corrupt, and Bounty, you know, we there, we vibe with him, you know what I mean? Like, you know, on the Deadly Medley, song.
Yes.
You know what I mean? Where everything gonna have safety here. Shut the reserve a magazine pass spear. And if you distant you to life lost admit here. Big bad men that talk loud and care. Boy, if you the big gangster, them shoulda know, big gun pop out and somebody life blow, So them big voice there, you get me? I would like with a right two line and, you know, we just hold a jammies vibe. We did have a good jammies vibes, you know, until all me and Spragga them and Jovan them down there. So it was a vibes where, you know, first King have him label, then you have John have him label. So now a two different something that now again. You know what I mean? And then over the years now, then the little jammies now, you know what I mean, would have theme rhythm now and through the and that's how the thing set till now everybody start produce. But me start the label thing. The Golden Child as a little youth, you know what I mean? And then you Buccaneer start him label. And then they put out Made a Shame them and them sang there. You know what I'm saying? And then enough artists now double up on label thing, having a label and them kind of get the overstanding say, yo, you know, till now, I can't, busy. Everybody is just a thing we plant where sometimes I seed, you dash a mango seed, you know.
Yes, sir.
I never know. Your next 10 years, you go back, you say a mango tree, you wonder if you plant it. But you're not sure. So it's just some music go.
Big man. Again, I just want to thank you for giving me the opportunity to do my thing. As I said, I'm a collector of music and I like to showcase. I wouldn't even say, I can say it's hidden or undiscovered. Let me say that. Can I say undiscovered? Because you have a catalog that goes way back and it's like the tune them did come out and then, you know, it didn't hit everybody. So I'm just, I'm so glad that I'm able to come out here, shed some light and then speak to you, you know, the living legends come and tell us about it. And also, hopefully, for the people them that are watching, this will open up other doors that you've already got open for some more business. And, you know, so people can take a step back into who Don Yute really, where he's coming from musically, so we can more appreciate where you're going now. You see me?
Yes.
Thank you. And really appreciate this opportunity. While you're here, just, you know, do you have any other business ventures that you'd like us to know about?
Well, you know, Don Yute is Golden Child Records, also the clothes. You know, I have a clothing line that, you know what I mean, for years, you know, people interested in it. Again, just like the music. I don't force it. I don't think it's all about me. But Don Yute have a style that people vibe, the spirit, just like Bob Marley t-shirt. You know what I mean? It's a vibe. From me, I look up, you don't even know music, people have that. And poster, till Bob Marley poster in a Will Smith movie. You know what I'm saying? So, it's just, while, you get what I'm saying? While I was coming up, my first album, I put out with a cap, a t-shirt, 245, and the CD, the Golden Child album. Remember that album? So you get that, and I used to sell it for $3,000 Jamaican for all of that. When I was doing the Golden Child label, my first album, and I used to go to the record store with it in a plastic tape and everything, with all of that. So when you buy a Don Yute CD, you get 245, the album, a cap with the Golden Child logo, and a t-shirt in a boss. This is a 25 year ago.
Big man. Me not lie. I've never experienced anything like that, where you buy an album and get whole heap of merchandise, not from the Americans, not from reggae music. Nowhere.
Nowhere. I'm and I just met some more time when I talk to the youth them, I may say, yo, you know, you're conform too much, you know, you're trying to make the word business. I don't have a business. I have the interest of people. Because if the business now have no interest of people, you know, make no money out of it.
Yes, of course.
You get me? And it not spreading. My thing is a vibes, and I sell to everybody. If somebody see me, I go to Jamaican restaurant, I go anywhere and somebody see me, I say, yo, yeah, buy an album link. Right now, I have my album link them when I sell. Before iTunes. That meaning I feel like I'm selling you a CD out of my car trunk. Because that's what I love doing. I love it. I love hustling the shit, you know what I mean? I learned from Master P, we talk on the phone, you know, through my career. I meet everybody. Usher, Dallas Austin, Mr. Cali Park, Ali Campbell from UB40 have a whole album for me. You see, in a UK,
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
me and him have songs, Sugar Minot, you name it, I have song with them. One of my first songs, JC Lodge. My second song was me and Inner Circle in Miami. You see what I say?
Yes.
So,
Yes.
when me know, it was me, Garnet Silk, Shabba Junior Tucker, them sit down out of Bobby Digital and Luciana them most days.
Yes.
Then I used to go a studio where before that new name, where I met Derek Barnett play the Let's Get It On rhythm for me, Derek Barnett.
Yes, yes.
Right?
Sting.
Everybody, right. So everybody was at that studio. Him owned by a man named Castro Brown and Ninja Man.
Done. I don't want to cut you, but we've got like seconds left. So I'm going to lock off and then come back in, yeah?
Yeah.
You all right with that? All right, cool. Yeah.
Good.
Everybody who's tuning in, tune back in. We're just going to reset. All right. Boom.
I mean, them Don Yute, man, the golden child. When tell them something get wild, it's not child. You don't know. Man on a pump. Watch golden child jump up in a them cuts. It's the after party, the gal them want. Watch golden child jump up in a them cuts. It's the after party, the gal them want. Come in the bedroom, skin pick close, gal come cock up. Fling on the latex and the dad gal get brushed. Look at my face when me done. Ask me what's up. If me under the influence of Chinese brush. In natural pepper, everything's sturdy. So me stay more time, no gal can control me. Man from standby, root out gal try. And the best thing that ever gone in a them life right. Golden child a jump up in a them cuts. It's the after party, the gal them want. Watch golden child jump up in a them cuts. It's the after party, the gal them want. True me name Don Yute, bet the gal accept the pen. Chica with the cute face curly hair from me head. Sharp bet, sharp plea, that would help her 40 ounce of it. And the million drink from me. Look at my prince up in all out of the attack. She jump in a Lexus, can't flip. She run down, jump in a this slip. It's a screws and the white better bruise off of it trick. Golden child a jump up in a them guts. It's the after party, the gal them want. Watch golden child jump up in a them guts. It's the after party, the gal them want. I heard she sang a good song. I heard she had a style. And so I came to see that the for a while. And there she was, this young girl, a stranger to my eyes.
Big up IJs.
With the finger, singing my life with the words. Killing me softly with her song. Killing me softly with her song. Filling my whole life with her words. Killing me softly with her song.
I just
La 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 la
And this way you go, Bridget. And this way you go.
Brethren, when I say, yo, people need to understand, this man, the tune and the catalog that you have is insane, real boy. You see me?
Believe me. Believe me.
Yo.
Believe me. It's crazy. It's crazy. Now, yo, more time. Like me say, if when you see me at I fumble with my songs, I don't really write like that.
Yeah.
We don't really write.
Yeah.
I feel, not from a song them I don't write. It's just, you know what I'm saying? So it's like, I don't really, unless I have to do it,
Yes.
it's like something coming to me where I realize what the hell is going on. Because it's like, when you power with Baby We and them every day, and I like me and Spragga them and Power Man them and Penny Irie them and Squiggly Ranking them and when the lips are rounded them, you know, it's a different thing, you know.
Yes.
energy when elephant them a DJ when it scare them crying him a, you know the studio and man just a lick you up so when them a DJ you know, cause vibes in a man. You get me? I say leg off from me no Ellie man. You get to me? I say you get me? So it's like it's not like no when everybody's so nice where you can't even come hang out again like you have a certain setup.
The unity is not there like
unity. Yeah, like that.
Oh man. All right then, so again, man, we're gonna have to do this another time, and next time I want to go into your career, but I'm putting something together.
Yeah.
So we're gonna, I mean, because again, I've seen certain things that other music genres shine light on their living legends and all of that, but I don't think reggae. I don't think it's done enough when it comes to reggae dancehall music. I think it's done maybe kind of when you go into like older reggae, like for Gregory them and Dennis Brown and Bob Marley and reggae, but man them from the 70s earlier is and them it kind of. But when it comes to the dancehall thing, there's very few. We don't get anything, so I'm trying to put something together where we get the story. I want Don Yute story. I want this one story. I want that one. So you see myself. So we're definitely gonna link up again, and I'll keep you informed with somewhat. And I definitely want you to be involved in all of that. So yes, just wanted to put that out there. And yeah.
Yes, I am. Just all more I do. Must make them know. Say the Tropical House.
Yes.
Cruise to Jamaica with Shatawale, Da Baby, Capleton, Sizzla, Beanie Man, you know what I mean? Executive producer, contractor, music, Don Yute, that's dropping any day now, which is like, it's crazy. Ghana going crazy. They want you preview the song off right named Funkin' With Me.
Yes.
You see me? So that me they want you just drop for them.
Right here. So,
yeah.
So ladies and gentlemen, as you just heard, this you know what? I want you to introduce the song yourself and then I will go through. Yeah.
Well, this is my record Funkin' With Me, coming out on the Tropical Cruises to Jamaica, Tropical House Cruises to Jamaica album. Check it out, Funkin' With Me.
Yes, sir.
Produced by Gappo.
Yes, sir. All right.
Yes. Yeah.
Now watch what the way I work. Your power make a hit track of me right at it first. Now watch what the way I work. To the whole wide world, go let them come first. Now watch what the way I work.
Now watch what the way I work.
My finger and them are the world. Funkin' with me. Put your hands up in the air, cause I'm gon' bust the world. All the ladies love me. And she's shining like a diamond, glistening like a pearl. Girl, I must say how we are bust up the road. The least little thing that won't pop off the clothes. Girl, I keep get overexposed. One cover we have to do the fingers and toes. Say we sit like 24 rows and she don't do me on me start make compose. Come on me hard and I come up on a pose. When we don't make love, she goes. If you're funkin' with me, put your hands up in the air, cause I'm gon' bust the world.
All the ladies love me. She did it back, and shining like diamond, twisting like purple.
Yo, is this song available for us to? I mean, where do we get? How can we get?
This is coming out on the album coming out. You know what I mean? The Tropical House Cruises to Jamaica. You know what I mean? If you everywhere, it's like it coming out with that on it, and it's like again, like I say, it's a classic influence again. Where you remember when Shabba them did have the grip on the muscle on them can't bounce, girl flex. Time to so we kind of just that's missing. Like real talk, you have a lot of auto-tune out, good voices, love what the youth them doing, but there is a work where require a certain amount of experience but it's not everybody can do it.
Yes.
Because again, it's just like Deluxe working with Puffy, or then they got the Swiss Beat.
Yeah.
Swiss Beat thing, okay, but what I love about Deluxe was when they was on with Biggie them.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? So but I still love what he did with Swiss Beat, but did it really lick my soul? You know, and that's why I kind of, I put the funk, you know, it's roots, rock, reggae.
Yes.
Right?
Yes.
I put funk, pop, everything. I don't hate on sexy dancehall. Big up DJ Steam. I want you to play a road code. Play a road code. You have to play a road code. You have to play a road code. You can't go nowhere.
Yeah, of course, man. Of course, man. All right. So tell us about Road Code. Who produced it?
Right, Road Code now is DJ Steam, one of my producers, my brethren, my family. We create sound together.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? In my experience, the same way you check for my vibes, same way you check for my vibes. And him take creativity and him not fighting to say, okay, I'm not going to put what you want in it. And we just create this sound and it's like it play all over the place.
I can hear the chemistry in the two.
Road Code.
Ladies and gentlemen, this is Don Yute again. Road Code. So, let's roll with it.
Me and me dogs are the road. You don't know the code. Don Yute have girls overload. Them overboard. Money and none. Hot girl and none. Top car and nothing. Yeah, me dogs on the road. Me a fuck up a buckle, yeah. We love to see the girl, them a bounce up. Me love them smell and them soft touch. Them say me rude and presumptuous. Because me tell them straight up, them make me cocky rest. That you tell them that. The word to me spit with this fancy man. She start drop off and panty start drop themselves. Good gas moving up your soul. We making them check. They grab up them check. They grab up them special. They feel all of that. And chill and relax. Under me any and too big fat crap. And then you say the session of the ice and they want it back. And I'm here to start from the middle. I know there must be a I don't even know if I don't even know if I can sing that. Money and a nothing. Hot girl and a nothing. Top jar and a nothing. Yeah, me dogs on the road. We a pop couple buckle like. You don't know the code. Hot girl overload. A girl must feel the sword, and all of the haters get show my board. I just feel that we them a watch and them a pray that. No girl can take me free. No way we couldn't be that.
Pause. One thing I've noticed, I didn't realize it until now, but every single tune them that I've selected from the ones I wanted to play for you, and the tunes that we've just played, all gal tune. And me personally, I love gal tune, and I love slackness, and I love sitting there. So
yo, it's just sometime, like Shabba said, slackish, world is that, X-rated, get the woman them excited. Where does slackness come from? We don't know. How we them want put the blame on wrong. Where does slack? So it's not really slack, but it's like to express yourself, like bumbleclot is the national bad word. Bumbleclot
nothing wrong with that.
Is the national. Where we are going to kill ourselves? No. Let's live with our culture. When hip-hop want to do their niggas and bitches thing, what can we say to them?
Yeah.
But that is an expression because people love dynamics. So sometimes, and that's why with a clean version, if you want to hear it clean, go get the clean. DJ Steam, big up.
The clean version of nothing.
Bumbo clean. All right.
Yeah, man,
and then it's just...
It was made in this way, so give it to the people how it came. The same so-called slack is the same way how we coming out, you know, how we born. We born out of so-called slackness. The same sex with them, you know what I mean? They try to suppress. It's the same way we come here. So my thing is, when you give, I want the whole thing as it was meant to be given to me. You know what I mean?
Right.
If you give me coconut water, don't put anything in it. Straight ital coconut water. You see me? And that's exactly how I want to, you know, if I'm going to represent it to the people, boom. Here you go. You know. So, yeah.
Yo, big up.
Yes, sir.
Thanks. I did send you the remix I'm going to do with Sean on the Gala Ball.
Yes.
You see me? That I don't even drop that yet.
Yes.
You know what I mean? I don't, because again, you know, levels of life. Sometimes I can't even bother Cause me now want the wrong ego to come out to get my head mad again. You get me? But I want the world, but still, I still play my music. Yes. I produce it, I put me and you together, I still stand for unity. Yeah, my brother, same way. So you can drop that if you want. Gala ball, make them hear the flame.
Yeah,
and you're gone. If you're gone, bye-bye.
I wasn't able to get the sharp
so,
combination, but
so big up yourself.
Tune for another time. But big man, respect. Thank you for giving me your time. And boom, 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 boom. Respect. Big up your career. Yeah, man.
And we couldn't fight the vibes. That's why we had to stay on extra.
Don't know.
Love everybody. Big up.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
All right.
All right. Blessed. Yeah. Hang me out. Yes.
Ladies and gentlemen, that was the living legend. That is that is Don Yute. I mean, my word. I'm in just another world right now because, like I said, he's one of my. He's an icon to me. Definitely one of the man them that put certain tune out. I used to get gal because of his tunes and doing certain things to his tunes in the background. You see me? So yeah, man. What a great share. Wow. I'm just gonna play one or two more Don Yute tunes so we can just remember and reminisce some of the good stuff that he's been in. Selector SP, Jati, who's this? Gibber, respect Aya, welcome into the thing. Clem, our Black Boy Magic. Everybody please like and follow and support our Black Boy Magic. Doing some excellent things for our future. But yeah, man, so it was a great share with Don Yute. Just gonna spin one or two Don Yute. Deep Clarity, I said, oh man, you lot missed Don Yute. But anyway, never mind. We're gonna spin one or two Don Yute tunes and then we're gonna cut. But thanks for everybody for tuning in. And yo, everybody that saw this, please send on to your brethren or whoever. And also, please like and support, follow Don Yute, because this guy is a walking musical library and a legacy. Do not wait for somebody to die before you start giving props. You know what I mean? He's a living legend. We're not going back to say Don Yute was bad. No, Don Yute was bad, is bad, and will be bad. You see me? All right. So one or two Don Yute tunes, and then we just cut. See? All right. Boom, boom.